How to swipe to reply on iMessage iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on General. Inside the General, tap on Software Update at the top. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. After confirming your software is current, go back to your home screen and open up the Messages application. From your main conversation list, select any conversation to open it. In the chat, scroll to the specific message bubble, then swipe it to the right. You will see the reply interface appear. Type in your reply in the text box. Once you are done, tap on the send arrow. Your message will now appear as an inline reply, threaded directly to the original message. Following these steps, you can easily swipe to reply on iPhone's iMessage.